Hello. We're going to do Christmas canes and candy, or Christmas canes and, candy canes and Christmas to remember. So I just have a little bit of trouble with that. Hi, and welcome to Stamp Scrap Go. My puppy is here and she wants to get me. So I come live every Friday at 4 p.m. on my Facebook page. In the new year, I will be coming on Tuesday and Friday. So we're going to look at candy canes and Christmas to remember. And let's go down to my Facebook. Oh my goodness. Okay, so my candy canes is a full background stamp, and it looks like this. And we're going to do something with that. And Christmas to remember is nothing but greetings for Christmas. Merry Christmas, season greetings, little Mary there, and friends like you make this season special. We're going to use love and joy come to you, and may it last the whole year through. So there's several, and I'm using the contour and scallop contour dies. Okay, let's check out my cards. So I'm doing envelopes for my Christmas cards. So that's that. And what I'm doing is using, and I saw this on Pinterest. So I'm using this as a way to not get it all over the envelope. And this is one of the sketches, and I did the candy canes inside as well. 'Tis the season. Just did a very simple card, and this is with Blackberry Bliss. And I did that on the bottom. This one has it on the side, and friends like you make this season special. And I used some, oh, I forgot to tell you, I used the in colors here, and I'm using red rhinestones here. And this one is just the background and have a holly jolly Christmas. So what we're going to do today is make a Z-fold card. Now, before we get started, I'm using the fine art ribbon fine art ribbon. It's gold, so that's what I made a bow out of. And I already have this stamped down, so I'm going to this thing is magnificent. And I need a little more. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Perfect. So I'm going to use this as a centerpiece on here. We're first going to stamp the love and joy, and we're going to stamp it off to the side. Little crooked, but that's okay. I need to make that go away. And then we're going to put and that's because I couldn't see. Okay, so let's get cooking. This is all gonna go here, and this is all gonna go here. So let's get I'm using Seal Plus so that I can make sure that this is sticking. Oh, too much. And this is scored at 5.5 and 2 3/4. And this is a 4 1/4 by 11. Excuse my head. And we're using red and green foil sheets. Okay, so let's get this on here. Okay. So this is going to bend this way. And this is going to bend this way. So that we can get a double whammy. So let's put that out of the way. I'm not using any dimensionals because the card would be too bulky. And this is where you would write your sentiment or your signature. Okay, so now we need tear tape and glue dots. I use a double glue dot on every bow. To make sure that it stays on. And we're going to use tear tape here and tear tape here. Whoop. And we need to make sure that it will fold correctly. Okay, so that is the card with the candy cane, and it's the yellow and green and red foil sheets. Love and joy come to you, and may it last the whole year through. And let's use a couple of red rhinestones. I think we'll use 5 because you always want to go with the odd number. There you are. Very simple card. And these will all be up on my let's get these will be all up on my blog so that you can see the directions and all of that. So thank you and have a very Merry Thanksgiving before Merry Christmas. Thank you.